When asked, contractors in the greater Rockford area will include Rockford Heating and Air Conditioning as a reputable HVAC option for both residential and commercial projects. Providing the community with quality service and installation has been a cornerstone that has earned Rockford Heating and Air Conditioning customer appreciation for over 80 years. As an authorized carrier dealer, we can offer outstanding products, affordable pricing, and the professional and helpful experience that you deserve. Rockford Heating and Air Conditioning offers timely completion, great service, and a lasting value that we hope to offer you over and over again for years to come. To learn more, please visit our website at www.rockfordheating.com or give us a call at 815-965-9494.